a 75% reduction in the release of a key inflammatory marker. This was demonstrated by researchers at the University of Kentucky in a study published in the 2012 Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science Journal. This shows us that our bodies have built-in, extremely effective switches to regulate inflammation. Let's look at how we can use these very switches for our cellular health. We are basing this on the aforementioned 2012 study from the University of Kentucky. The researchers studied human retinal cells in a lab, exposing them to an inflammatory signaling agent. They then tested whether the body's own ketone body, beta-hydroxybutyrate, could influence this process. They observed that adding this ketone body reduced the secretion of the inflammatory messenger, CCL2, by an impressive 75%. This suggests that we can directly control inflammatory processes at the cellular level through metabolic signals. Although these results from a cell culture are not directly transferable to the entire human organism. That is why our plan focuses on activating these endogenous signals. Many of us feel a kind of chronic strain. Scientists call this inflammaging, a low-grade, constant inflammation that ages our cellular systems. At the same time, molecular waste, such as faulty proteins or damaged mitochondria, accumulates inside our cells over time. This cellular junk impairs function and drains our energy. In each of our cells, there are two competing main switches. The mTOR pathway is our growth and storage engine, which becomes active when we eat. Its counterpart is AMPK, the low energy sensor. When AMPK is active, it shuts down mTOR and initiates the most important cellular cleaning and repair program, autophagy. A crucial lever to activate AMPK is found in high-quality olive oil. It's not about the calories, but about a specific compound called oleorapine. Studies suggest that this exact substance can flip the AMPK switch. It sends a signal that tells the body, time for a break, time for cellular cleanup. Besides the AMPK lever, we use a second, even more profound signaling level. This is where ketone bodies, like the one from the initial study, come into play. They are not just fuel, but also epigenetic modulators. They can unlock longevity genes that are normally silenced and, as we saw, have a potent anti-inflammatory effect. How can we apply this knowledge practically? Our plan has 3 simple steps. First, we consciously integrate high-quality, peppery olive oil as a signaling molecule, not just as a source of fat. Second, we create periods where our body must rely on its own reserves to stimulate the production of ketone bodies. Third, we understand that it's about the right signals at the right time, not about permanent restriction. With this, we fundamentally change our perspective. Food is no longer just energy, but information. With every spoonful of olive oil, with every conscious eating break, we send instructions to ourselves. We become active conductors of our own cellular health and lay the foundation for long-term well-being. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.